Thank you for joining our webinar today. My name is Pavel. I'm a BIM coordinator at Signax, and I will moderate the webinar today. The webinar duration today is approximately 30 minutes. So if you will have any questions during the webinar, write them down in chat and they'll be answered at the end of the webinar. Today's speaker is Nikita Pospelov, head of BIM department at Signax, with huge experience in implementation of BIM technologies. As I've finished my small part, Nikita, the scene is yours.
Thank you, Pavel. Welcome, everyone. Let me start sharing my screen. Once again, welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to unveil the potential of Signax in modern construction. I'll introduce our latest module. It's called SIGNAX DOCS, Common Data Environment. So following this presentation, I'm eager to provide a hands-on demonstration for those with specific questions and practical questions. Additionally, for the next 2 weeks, we're offering trials for those who keen on exploring our product. This way, you can independently assess all product features. Our Signax platform has undergone a significant transformation. Docs stands at the core module, serving as the central hub for collecting, updating, sharing, and storing all the project information. The inspection module, our 360-degree photo web service, has been enriched with 2D plans feature with requests and comments inside 2D plans. Tools plugins for Revit and Navisworks Manage cater to various roles in BIM and site engineering, serving both for consultants and contractors. We have enhanced each module by including complementary dashboards mobile reporting tool. Furthermore, exclusive discounts are available for our customers who will opt for complete power pack. That includes docs, tools, inspection, and dashboard at one time. Signax Docs represents a cutting-edge common data environment with outstanding mobile device optimization. It empowers you to review and approve documents on the go without compromising performance, utilizing all desktop version features on your mobile device. Signax Docs features an incredibly intuitive admin hub encompassing all project settings. The administrator holds the capability to invite new users, establish companies, allocate licenses, and define user roles. Following project initiation, the admin can monitor services logs and export them into Excel document format for subsequent analytics. Additionally, we offer the ability to track statistics regarding used and total licenses by modules for each company. Responding to numerous customer requests, we've incorporated a batch user addition feature. Now, administrator can effortlessly create a list of users with hundreds of entries in Excel document and then import them inside the Signax Docs admin panel with just 2 clicks. All admin activities can be performed even on mobile devices as well. Signax Docs provides pre-configured folder structure for those just embarking on common data environment implementation. You can also create a template project with your company's folder structure requirements, initiating new projects just in 2 clicks. Administrators wield powerful tools for user permission setup, granting access based on your personal user accounts or project roles. There are 3 permission levels: read and download, upload, and full access with edit rights that can offer tailored control of the project. Signax Docs encompasses all essential features for high-performance working during construction project. This includes 3D viewer, PDF comparison, file version history, issues and comments, reviews workflow, issues issued for construction stamps, and QR codes. Our 3D viewer leveraging Autodesk Platform services. Formerly, it was called Forge, Autodesk Forge. I think it's the most popular and, in my opinion, the best BIM or CAD viewer, which supports more than 50 file formats. So within SIGNAX Docs, it allows us to open various formats directly, eliminating the need of conversion. Easily navigating through the BIM models using model browser filters, sections, and measurement tools. Also, we can verify properties and attributes within the BIM model elements. Although PDF remains the most popular 2D documentation format, SIGNAX Docs addresses this with an implemented comparison tool. This feature allows us to identify minor changes in extensive documents or on large area master plans. The comparison is done page by page, and at any moment you can switch back to the original version or the comparable version. Also, we have implemented settings for detailing and matching threshold for customizing them, ensuring that precise adjustments for specific documents will help you to track the changes inside the documents. Every action is meticulously logged in SIGNAX Docs, ensuring no loss of information. File versions are stored and available for docs, download, or recreation in the current version. You can track who created the file version and when. If a user with edit rights accidentally deletes valuable information, administrators can restore it promptly from the basket. It is very important to be well informed and get latest updates about new project files uploads, version updates, and even deletion. For that, we have implemented subscription feature. Each user can flexibly set up folders to receive updates about. Also, sometimes there is a need for informing users with specific roles, for instance, designers by discipline. In that case, project administrator can subscribe roles for certain folders. In fostering stakeholder collaboration on construction projects, the issues model in SIGNAX Docs proves crucial. Create issues, assign responsible persons, add documents, and link BIM models. All that can be done in issues model. The assigned person receives an email notification with a direct link to the created issue. While navigating through the issue list, you can efficiently use filters and export all the issue list in Excel format. So you can next provide analytics and create graphs or diagrams. Moving on to the reviews module, where you can create predefined workflows and track progress in starting review process. Importing batch settings from Excel documents streamlines the process further. On the right panel, you can see visually the progress of review workflow. So we can see when and with what status previous step was finished. Here we delve into the review workflow setup process, adding multiple review steps, marking each as a blocking step to close the review entirely, and customizing statuses for the documents. QR codes and issues for construction stamps, positions of the documents can also be customizable. Responding to customer requests, we have implemented settings for document copying process. That is done in section 5. So you can provide the final reviewer an ability with the option to specify folders, set workflow destination folders, or create folder structures based on your specific requirements. During the initiation of the review process, based on predefined workflows, users can conveniently add documents from various locations within the SIGNAX DOCS common data environment. This feature is particularly beneficial when forming packages from multiple project disciplines or various document types. After the review process initiated, reviewers check submittals, add issues or comments within the Signax issues module, and mark each document with the appropriate statuses. If there are dozens or hundreds of documents inside the review, this can be done in bulk, just in 2 clicks. After the reviewer assigns statuses, they add comments to their step and then proceed with the next reviewer. The subsequent reviewer receives an email notification to be well informed and to be able to start their review immediately. So next is review approval. Upon the completing the final stage of the review, each review document is stamped as issued for construction or QR coded. Personnel on the construction site will be able to use QR code to check if the document is up to date or if it was approved by the consultant. Through the QR code information and using direct link, we can swiftly navigate to the file storage location to check other documents from the set or the package. That concludes the reviewing process. Along with the Signax Cloud, we provide clients with the strict privacy rules and government regulations regarding the project information storage. Our system can be deployed on premises. So following the straightforward instructions, IT departments can deploy a local S3 server within the secured internal company network, connecting it to the SIGNAX DOCS common data environment. So next slide is about our plans for current year, 2024. We are undergoing rapid development with an extensive backlog of documented features requested by other users. Our current roadmap for 2024 is involving significant updates that are including desktop client, point cloud viewer, federated BIM model creation, and public API as well. Simultaneously, we maintained flexibility and attentiveness to our customer needs, prioritizing features with high demand. We're construction professionals. We have successfully integrated digital tools into our business processes, and we stand ready to facilitate digital transformation within the market. We create best-in-class product. We standardize as an industry, and we are developing the conservative market by increasing its maturity. So wrapping up, these are the main features of Signax DOCS common data environment. I appreciate for your attention. And as mentioned before, trials are available for testing the system and assessing this compatibility for your project requirements. Please just don't hesitate to contact us for any inquiries. Thank you for your attention and time. Have a great day.
Thank you, Nikita. I would like to thank everyone for joining this meeting and being a part of the discussion. Feel free to contact us if you would have any additional questions or need a demo. And goodbye, and until we meet again.